Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make collage on Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a collage or collage on Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed, let's create a story guys. To do that, you can see the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on that and okay, I'll be just tapping on while using the app and okay. Now over here guys, we are on the live section of Instagram. Now to make a collage on Instagram story, we'll be required to go to the story section. To do that, swipe left where it says the live at the bottom of the screen, and you can see this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to proceed to make a collage, you can see the layout button available at the left side of the screen. There are a bunch of options: text, infinity, and a layout option. You can make a collage from there guys. Tap on the layout and you will be able to make a collage according to you. You can see a different type of layouts available for us over here, so let's go and you can try out these different options to make a collage on your Instagram story. And after you have done that guys, you will be able to post it as the usual way. And you can see after making it guys, let's tap, you can edit the layout as well. And after doing that, let's tap on the tick mark. You can see after that you can post it, and this is how you will be able to make a collage on Instagram guys. And there guys, this is how to make a collage on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.